Hi, I'm Gaurav Bhatnagar. I joined IIT Delhi in 1997 in the computer science department. My entry number was 97123. I was at Jwalamukhi Hostel. Right now, I run an online travel distribution platform called TBO. I am one of the co-founders and joint managing director. I can tell you one thing. I think the TBO IPO is obviously a very, very big moment.
Right.
But कुछ भी कर लो लाइफ में, people you can tell people यार मैंने ये करा है, ये करा है, ये करा है, ये करा है, and then they'll come back to अच्छा IIT Delhi गए थे, right? So it comes from a perspective of achievement. The IIT Delhi almost trumps everything else you do in rest of your life. I missed my year one mechanical drawing lectures.
Right.
I had no idea. I barely passed that
Right.
subject. Never understood why मैं तो कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ने गया था, मैं क्यों ये ड्राइंग्स बना रहा हूँ, कभी समझ नहीं आया वो पर्सपेक्टिव. That was one subject I
That
could
you
not
missed.
fathom. In IIT Delhi, we have a very strong culture of helping out each other. And that doesn't matter कि यार आपके बैच ओवरलैप हुए थे नहीं हुए थे, हॉस्टल ओवरलैप हुए थे नहीं हुए थे, it doesn't matter. You are 1971 batch, I am 2000 batch, you are 2017 batch. The moment it is IIT Delhi, you all immediately have a preference कि यार let me help this guy out. I think that makes a big difference.
Okay.
Totally. I think that is the biggest thing you take away from IIT Delhi.
Right.
The network and the sense of fraternity that you have with all of the people who've ever gone through that campus.
Right.
I think that is you can't change. You
Right.
can't replace it. And look, we were there when internet was getting invented.
Right.
Right. तो हम 97 में पहुंचे तो इंटरनेट नहीं था.
हाँ जी.
98 में पहली बार इंटरनेट आया और फ्री एक्सेस इंटरनेट था. तो यू कैन इमेजिन हमारा क्या माइंडसेट था उस टाइम.
CS डिपार्टमेंट में होते
CS में
हुए.
भी था, कंप्यूटर साइंस CSC में भी था, जो मेन बिल्डिंग के अंदर.
Right.
So those are the two spots, right? Either you are in a lab, just waiting कि कोई उठ जाए तो फिर कंप्यूटर मिल जाए, हम बैठेंगे उसके ऊपर,
Fair.
or you are wasting time in winter.
Right.
My biggest fear was एक कोर्स होता था theory of computing, computer science में. My biggest fear was I would fail this course. I really had genuinely felt कि मैं fail हो जाऊंगा इस
आप
course के अंदर.
स्टूडियस थे वैसे at IIT?
मैं ठीक ठाक था यार, मतलब IIT के लेवल से और कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट के लेवल से I was mid.
Right.
But before coming to IIT, obviously I was studious.
Of
But
course.
this course really took the life out of me.
Fear था,
मेरे को
maybe,
बहुत genuine fear था. मुझे अकेले fear नहीं था, बहुत लोगों को fear था यार फेल होने वाले हैं इस कोर्स में. See, mental health issues can happen from a variety of reasons, but one reason they happen is because of the hit you're taking on your self-esteem.
Yes.
That is very ironical that it should happen in an institute like IIT. Right? आप JEE clear करके आए हो, you are like the 99.7th percentile of the country.
Yeah.
उसके बाद भी अगर self esteem issues आ रहे हैं, then imagine how much wrong are we going on the campus and in just generally how we are living a life. पहला मैथ्स का माइनर हुआ, मेरे 7 out of 20 आए. Right now you are used to 98, 99, 100 on math. Now you get a 7 out of 20 in your first exam, and that just sets your expectation of yourself very, very quickly.
Right.
So first couple of years is just trying to figure out here how do you swim in this, at the deep end of the pool. But once you have realized here, it is fine, right? I am maybe middle of the class amongst really, really, really smart people, so it's
Fair.
okay.
Fair.
Right? Then I really enjoyed. After the first couple of semesters, right? पहले सेमेस्टर में कुछ सत्ती वत्ती आ गई था यार, इतने कम नंबर तो कभी नहीं आए थे. फिर नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में थोड़े ठीक आ गए तो लगा आ भी सकते हैं, इतनी थोड़ी मेहनत कर लोगे. Then after I think 3 semesters, I didn't really care about exams and all. Then I enjoyed the internet, I enjoyed stuff, I enjoyed extracurriculars with friends. I enjoyed the learning after that.
Right.
But first couple of years are definitely hard from that perspective. Best part I really enjoyed were the humanities courses.
Okay, great.
They
Excellent.
changed my life, right? Because then when you talk about, and some of the courses are so interesting, right? I remember this course, Mind Machine Language. They talk about interface, and because we are doing CS, so the CS has a very different view on language and Turing tests and all of that. And then humanities brings a very philosophical view on the same topic.
Right.
So that starts to really open up your mind. The other bit you realize is the diversity on the campus, right? Again, I'm coming from TPS, it's all Delhi kids only, right?
Yes.
And you have one way of thinking, one way. Now you come in and then there are people from all over the country, right? And really, really smart people. And one thing I really appreciate till date is some really smart people have a very different view on life. So they bring so much contrarian view, and that's one thing I learned at IIT, right? That some people were so contrarian, right? Top करके आए हैं, JEE toppers हैं, but then they have a completely different view take on life, right? On academics, on studies, on they'll go, the whole world is going right, वो left जा रहे होंगे. ये सारी चीजें they really shape you up,
Right.
right? I had a great time on Microsoft, but then I started to realize that this isn't something that I can do rest of my life. And the challenge also is once you have a realization कि यार ये भी नहीं है और कोई भी corporate job नहीं है, then you're stuck here, फिर मैं क्या करूँगा, right? What can I do? So then I started thinking, so one option was go for an MBA. So some of us, couple of friends, who were also in Microsoft, getting into the same mode कि यार क्या करना है, बोर हो रहे हैं. So I wrote my GMAT, right? Got a good score over there. So it became like a backup कि यार चलो GMAT तो दे ही दिया है, कुछ नहीं होगा तो MBA कर लेंगे और entrepreneurial experience दिखा के अच्छा MBA में भी हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
But then I came back to India, and frankly, when I had gone, I had mentally given me 2 years. मेरे को बनना था entrepreneur किसी point पे. But it reinforced once I realized how corporate setups work. No matter how good they are, how fun they are.
Yeah.
It wasn't something I could have done for all my life.
Welcome everyone to another episode of our podcast series Dil Se IIT Delhi. Today we are joined by Mr. Gaurav Bhatnagar, co-founder, TBO. Welcome Gaurav,
Thank you, Shaurya.
and thank you so much for doing this with us today.
Not at all. My pleasure.
So we'll start with a few rapid fire questions just to get comfortable.
Okay.
So favorite faculty at IIT Delhi?
Professor S.N. Maheshwari,
S.N. Maheshwari, and what department was he in?
Computer
Computer
Science.
Sciences, obviously. Best time pass on IIT Delhi campus?
Intel Lab in 6th block.
Alright. Your proudest day on campus?
I think the day I got into IIT, that was just very momentous.
Right.
Did not think I would make it, but when I did, it was a wow moment.
And now that you have said this, your proudest moment was getting into IIT or the TBO IPO?
That's a tough one, yeah. I can tell you one thing. I think the TBO IPO is obviously a very, very big moment.
Right.
But कुछ भी कर लो लाइफ में, people, you can tell people, यार मैंने ये करा है, ये करा है, ये करा है, ये करा है, and then they'll come back to अच्छा IIT Delhi गए थे, right? So it trumps from a perspective of achievement. IIT Delhi almost trumps everything else you do in rest of your life.
So that was IIT Delhi's like stands out completely.
It stands out for sure, yeah, always.
Right. Favorite food at campus?
Favorite food at campus, सस्सी पराठे.
हाँ. जो ढाबे होते थे वहाँ पे?
हाँ, अभी तो हट गए
अभी हट गए
सारे.
सारे.
Hostel gate के बाहर we used to have this very nice place called
Yeah.
Sassi, and we would have parathas over
आपके
there.
टाइम पे TKS वगैरह भी होता था वहाँ पे?
नहीं.
TKS नहीं था उस
नहीं,
टाइम पे.
नहीं.
Okay, ठीक है. Subject lectures you missed or bunked the most?
I missed my year 1 mechanical drawing lectures.
Right.
I had no idea. I barely passed that
Right.
subject. Never understood why मैं तो computer science पढ़ने गया था. मैं क्यों ये drawings बना रहा हूँ? कभी समझ नहीं आया वो perspective. That was one subject I
That
could
you
not
missed.
fathom.
Okay.
वो miss कर दिया.
All
छोड़
right.
दिया उसे.
Favorite spot on campus?
हाँ, tough one. Wind tunnel.
Vinti?
Yeah. Also the computer labs, the CSC. So there were 2 computer labs. And look, we were there when internet was getting invented.
Right.
Right? तो हम 97 में पहुंचे तो इंटरनेट नहीं था.
हाँ जी.
98 में पहली बार इंटरनेट आया और फ्री एक्सेस इंटरनेट था. तो यू कैन इमेजिन हमारा क्या माइंडसेट था उस टाइम
CS
पे.
डिपार्टमेंट में होते
CS में भी था, कंप्यूटर साइंस CSC में भी था जो मेन बिल्डिंग के अंदर.
राइट.
सो दोज आर द 2 स्पॉट्स, राइट? ईदर यू आर इन अ लैब जस्ट वेटिंग कि कोई उठ जाए तो फिर कंप्यूटर मिल जाए, हम बैठेंगे उसके ऊपर,
Fair.
और यू आर वेस्टिंग टाइम इन विंड टनल.
Right. Your biggest fear as a student?
माय बिगेस्ट फियर वाज एक कोर्स होता था थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग कंप्यूटर साइंस में. माय बिगेस्ट फियर वाज आई वुड फेल दिस कोर्स. आई रियली आई जेन्युइनली फेल्ट कि मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा इस कोर्स
आप स्टूडियस थे वैसे at IIT?
मैं ठीक ठाक था यार. मतलब आईआईटी के लेवल से और कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट के लेवल से आई वाज मिड.
Right.
But before coming to IIT, obviously I was studious.
Of
But
course.
this course really took the life out of me.
Fear था
मेरे को
फिर भी,
बहुत genuine fear था. मुझे अकेले fear नहीं था. बहुत लोगों को fear था यार फेल होने वाले हैं इस कोर्स में.
If you would go back in time, how would you live your student life again?
I would not change a thing यार. I had
Yeah.
a good time. I enjoyed. I learned great memories. I would not change a thing.
Excellent. Okay. Your hostel or your department?
My hostel or my department?
Yeah, between the two.
Yeah, between the two, I would say my department, because hostel में मेरे को एक ही साल मिला था, because that time hostels were at scarcity, so I
Right.
spent only a year in the hostel.
Right.
But department really changed my
And
life.
you were from Jwalamukhi.
I was from Jwala.
All right. First year or the fourth year?
For sure, 4th year.
For sure, fourth year.
For
Any
sure.
reason behind that?
Yeah, first year is a change from, first year is the most humbling experience of your life when you
Right.
get to IIT, because
Right.
you're coming from your school, यू हैव क्रैक जेई क्रैक किया है, स्कूल में भी आप टॉपर वॉपर ही रहोगे, अगर जेई क्रैक किया है तो यू कम विद दिस थिंग कि यार आई एम वेरी स्मार्ट.
Right.
Then you reach IIT and then within the first few days you realize यार यहाँ तो you almost feel like an imposter, ये मैं
Right.
कहाँ आ गया हूँ,
Right.
यहाँ से मैं 4 साल निकाल भी नहीं पाऊंगा.
Right.
तो first year is all about just such an humbling experience कि you are grounded for life after that. Fourth year is still यार जॉब भी लग गई
लग
है,
गई,
कोर्सेज
tension
भी
कम हो
नहीं
गया
है, पता है 70 आएगी 80 आएगी,
हाँ.
उसमें ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं बचा है. तो fourth year is a lot of fun.
Fair.
First year was a very very humbling experience.
Excellent. Okay. SAC or outdoor sports?
SAC.
SAC.
I was not a sports guy because again I was not living in the hostel. Doing sports if you're not in the hostel is very tough.
Right. Rendezvous or convocation?
For sure rendezvous. Convocation though was convocation, right? We got our photos clicked.
हाँ.
But rendezvous was so much fun.
Right. So Gaurav, a number of successful ventures from IIT Delhi in the last 10 to 15 years, you know, people starting their own companies, doing really, really well. ऐसा क्या IIT Delhi के पानी में और खाने में आपको लगता है कि, you know, so many entrepreneurs and so many, you know, intellectual thinkers are coming out of IIT Delhi? What do you think why do you think that's the
Yeah,
reason?
I think one thing is there's a bit of a network effect happens, right? You start up and then, you know, juniors from the same college are like यार इन्होंने start कर लिया था, ये भी you put yourself in that mold ना कि यार हम भी तो same ही college में हैं, हम भी same पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. And then it is more practical, you actually have a reach out as well. Right? So sometimes some juniors would come or they get funded because a senior funded them.
Right.
So that's all, I think starts to create that culture. The other bit I feel is our campus is very strategically located. Unlike the other big
Absolutely.
IITs, which are often like if you go to Mumbai, it's in Powai.
Yeah.
Then IIT Delhi is in the middle of South Delhi.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? So it creates a lot more access, right? Just in terms of the guest lectures that would happen, the access to, you know, people around you, the access to companies that come on the campus. I think that also makes a big difference. But I think the bigger one really is that एक बार trend शुरू हो जाता है, then that becomes the template in your mind
Right.
कि हमारे seniors में, हमारे senior batch में 3 companies start हुई थी, तो हमारे batch में भी 5 companies तो start होंगी. I could be one of them.
Right.
And then there is definitely I think and maybe other IITs also have it, but definitely in IIT Delhi we have a very strong culture of helping out each other. And that doesn't matter कि यार आपके batch overlap हुए थे नहीं हुए थे, hostel overlap हुए थे नहीं हुए थे, it doesn't matter. You are 1971 batch, I am 2000 batch, you are 2017 batch. The moment it is IIT Delhi, you all immediately have a preference. Yeah, let me help this guy out. I think that makes a big difference.
And you know, I think this is something I keep hearing from, like I heard from you right now. You pass out of IIT Delhi, but you never, you know, leave the alumni network.
You don't.
Because that's very, very strong from what I've heard. And I know of stories where alumni have gone out of their way to help some of their other, you know, college mates and everything. So that must be a really good sort of a feeling to have or to be a part of such a, you know, big and strong
absolutely.
network.
I think that is the biggest thing you take away from IIT Delhi.
Right.
The network and the sense of fraternity that you have with all of the people who've ever gone through that campus.
Right.
I think that is, you can't change, you know, you
Right.
can't replace it.
And you know, एक और बात मेरे को भी याद आई अभी Mayank from Upgrad, you know, he had come to the campus and हम उनको campus tour पे लेके गए हुए थे. Went to his hostel and it was just before the summer holidays were starting. Students, some of them had gone, कुछ थे वहीं पे. जैसे ही देखा कि, you know, कोई आया and we told the kids कि कौन है, this is Mayank and all that. लाइन लग गई थी पीछे से, ठीक है. 2 बच्चे आए थे अपना पूरा आइडिया लेके एक Mayank के सामने कि, you know, Mayank, this is what we are doing and all. And it's very rare that you see, because usually people are like, अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा let's this thing. Mayank stood over there, discussed the idea with them, gave his personal email ID, and one thing he said, you know, which made me realize that this is not a fake, this thing, is he said कि मेरे को लंबा सा कुछ लिख के मत देना, मेरे को बताना क्या है और क्या चाहिए मेरे से, and I'll help you out. So, you know, going on
that is there. Look, if I don't know if you know Azhar from InShorts.
Yeah, of course,
Oh,
of course.
IIT Delhi dropout hai.
Right.
He came way back, I think 2013 में शायद जब ये start ही कर रहे थे. And we were put his first check after he taken some money from India Times. But then Azhar and Deepit and Anunay, we put their first check. So some of us, when they came to us, it was basically an idea, right? But again, IIT Delhi, and then the fact that he was dropping out was even more amazing
Yeah.
to have so much conviction on an idea. But yes, absolutely, yeah, the moment it is IT Delhi, I'm like, yeah, I must do something with this guy.
Absolutely. So that's obviously, again an example of how strong the network is.
Oh, absolutely.
And doesn't matter कि तुम्हारे बीच में कितना gap है age का.
No, it
Because,
doesn't matter at all.
these students are passing out in 2026, for example. मैं passed out in 2005, 2006. That's like a 20-year का gap in them, but still did not matter. So, that was something which really, really kind of touched me at that point of time. Ke, this is what network and this is what that connect is all about. So that's really great. One thing I'll ask you. Now we are in a very different time. Obviously IIT में उस time पे भी बहुत competition होता था, बहुत struggle होता था. आजकल a lot of students are suffering from mental health issues. There's so much of anxiety and all. As a senior alumni, what would you give a piece of advice for these students? What would that be to just balance everything out?
Here, I think the most important thing, and I learned this lesson over the course of time, is that you have to have the ability to not benchmark yourself against anything else. And which is where it is natural, you're in a classroom setting, there are exams, so हर चीज में आप benchmark कर रहे हो अपने आप को दूसरों से. And with social media, it's just become even gone to the next level.
Absolutely.
That is very important, right? The fact that you've gotten into IIT is huge validation of who you are. You must have something exemplary, something exceptional inside you, right? So, and see, mental health issues can happen from a variety of reasons, but one reason they happen is because of the hit you're taking on your self-esteem.
Yes.
That is very ironical that it should happen in an institute like IIT, right? आप JEE clear करके आए हो, you are like the 99.7th percentile of the country.
Yeah.
उसके बाद भी अगर self esteem issues आ रहे हैं, then imagine how much wrong are we going on the campus and in just generally how we are living a life. So my advice would be that one, you've already validated yourself. अब stop looking for validation. अब ये ढूंढो यार, मजा किस चीज में आता है, इंटरेस्ट क्या है. ऐसा कोई नहीं निकलेगा आईआईटी से जिसको नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी या वो कहेगा यार मैं तो खाना भी नहीं खा सकता. ऐसा होगा नहीं यार, तुम आईआईटी आ गए हो, राइट? सो बट यू हैव टू कट दैट नॉइज आउट, राइट? यू हैव टू स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई रिमेंबर द होल स्ट्रेस यूज्ड टू बी कि यार डे जीरो में तो मैकेंजी आया था, मेरे को मैकेंजी में नहीं मिला. अब जिसको उसके टियर 2 भी मिला, इट्स अ ग्रेट जॉब. पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं यार इतनी बढ़िया नौकरी मिल गई, वाला अरे यार मेरे को तो मिला ही नहीं, राइट? या जो जीआरई, हमारे टाइम में एमएस वाज अ बिग थिंग. MS में यार, if I didn't get CMU, but I have still gotten a 8th ranked university instead of 3rd ranked university, I am depressed about it.
Right.
Now this has gone to the next level because we are comparing on everything.
Yes.
Right? हम likes और comments ही compare कर रहे हैं कि यार मेरे को इतनी likes आए हैं मेरी post के ऊपर तो मैं depressed हो रहा हूँ. Right? So I think that is very important. Right? You validated yourself. अगर IIT पहुँच गए हो, बहुत smart हो, बहुत intelligent हो, इंडिया के top talent में हो already. Right? अब बाकी comparison छोड़ो, अपने आप को ढूंढो. I think that's important, right? That self discovery has to happen, and you just stop worrying and about what others are going to think, who is doing better. It's a long game, yeah. Life is very long. अभी तो 18-19 साल की हो.
Yeah, fair, and that's a very good point because as people say, comparison is the killer of all joy.
Absolutely.
That's 100%. really true because I think that happens with everyone only these days. For example, us also, me also for that matter. Regardless of where I'm at in my life, the minute I start comparing myself कि ये कर रहा है, I start putting myself down, which is what the core of anxiety problems is.
It is absolutely.
So students of IIT, you would advise them to be happy where they are. The fact that they have cracked IIT
and give it time, right? सब कुछ
एक साथ
नहीं अचीव कर सकते ना. 17-18 साल में नहीं सब अचीव कर लोगे. Give
Believe
it time.
in the process.
Yeah, and enjoy the journey.
Absolutely. All right, great, excellent. Okay, what's your vision for IIT Delhi? You said you keep visiting the campus. Obviously, some new buildings have come up.
Yep.
A lot of progress is happening in the future as well. There is an infrastructure development plan where we are reimagining IIT Delhi as a whole as well. So, what is your vision, for IIT Delhi? And as an alumni, how do you think the alumni can connect better, and also vice versa, the IIT institution, how can we connect better with the alumni as well?
See, I think IIT Delhi has a few advantages, and one location is, we talked about it,
right.
Location is a huge advantage. You are sitting in the middle of a very strong industrial business startup hub. I feel we do not create enough avenues for intermingling of the campus and the industry, not because of a lack of desire. Both sides, the desire is very strong. As an alumni, and again, look, talent, our business, we are in talent businesses ultimately, right? Our business relies on the ability to work with top talent.
Yeah.
The faculty at IIT Delhi, the students at IIT Delhi are like, again, the topmost talent of the world. यहाँ से आधे घंटे के रास्ते पे वो talent बैठा है, right? And it wants to engage. But we don't create, we haven't, and some of it is for the industry and some of it for the campus, college as well, to figure out how do we genuinely create meaningful engagement, right? I think that is really missing right now. And when you go and see some other, universities, especially in the US,
Yeah.
they have really gone next level.
Yeah.
I do see some good initiatives happening. Like this time when I went to the campus, I saw that there is this, I don't remember what it's called, but where they have created these offices you can take up, right? If you're engaging, interacting
Fit.
with the FIT.
That's right.
If you go to FIT and if you are working with the faculty, you can actually get an office on the campus.
Isn't that
And
excellent?
That is excellent, yeah.
So
What
good.
an idea.
So
Great.
good.
Right? But it has to be publicized a bit more,
Yes.
right?
Fair.
I was not aware. I think that is very important. The other bit is just the way, and I'm sure it's changing a lot, but the faculty also should engage with the industry a bit more. And again, I guess for the industry to take benefit of it. Because students will look up to faculty, right? If faculty is actively engaged with industry, some of the industry challenges are not very, not at the most bleeding edge of research, but they're often at a leading edge of technology, right? So, अगर हम वो थोड़ा सा bias लाते हैं, right? We solve engineering problems, we solve which may not result in say a research paper, for example, but it results in a economic benefit for
Absolutely.
the company and for the IIT.
Yeah.
I think that is very important. Right, and that is also what spurs entrepreneurship, right? Entrepreneurship is all about problem solving, hustle, finding a solution to something which nobody solved for. Right. So while research bias is very important, industry sometimes gets overwhelmed by the the research thinking that comes from a university, right? So फिर हमें लगता है इतना तो leading edge हम नहीं काम कर रहे हैं, but we have many very very tough engineering problems to solve. Right. I think those kind of interactions are required. So, but I think we'll get there, and I definitely, of all the IITs, I think IIT Delhi is really moving in that direction.
Yes, yeah, we are trying to. Excellent. So we'll move on to a few questions. Anything from your side, like कुछ क्या याद आता है आपको ऐसा IIT के बारे में? अभी if you look back, it's going to be almost 25 years now since your graduation.
Yeah.
How do you look back at your time at IIT Delhi?
Yeah, it was an amazing time. And it was amazing time for two reasons. One, the era that we went to IIT and the fact that I went to computer science, and that's also when this whole internet revolution was happening. The first .com boom was happening in 98, 99, 2000. Was a great time. So, sometimes you look back and say, I was at the right place at the right time. You couldn't have been at a better place. I did IIT computer science, studying computer science when the internet revolution was happening.
Right.
The second bit, I think I just love the fact that the network I created, the people I worked with, and the people I mean, they're still, very, very close to me. They changed my perspective on many things in life, right? Just such deep conversations, such deep thinking, and those people have just achieved amazing things. So that is what I look back and say, ये access कहीं और नहीं मिल सकता, right? वैसे a lot of times we talk about कि अब तो education is online है, Stanford के courses online है, right? MIT के courses online है, IIT के भी बहुत सारे courses online है, but that time you spend on the campus, the connections you make, and the conversations you have outside of curriculum, it's just amazing.
आपको पता था कि आप IIT में ही जाना चाहते हो? Was it in while you were studying at RKP, DPS, RKP? Did you have an inclination that I want to go into IIT, or did it happen over the period of time?
Yeah, I think IIT में by accident नहीं घुस सकते. It's not like I ended up there. You have to plan for it. So obviously those days, very limited choices. I think today they have so many other choices, but that time it was IIT, medical, अगर थोड़ी पढ़ाई लिखाई ठीक है. So my preference was engineering. And if you're preparing for engineering, then obviously basically you're preparing for JEE. Then it comes down to luck, यार कहाँ पहुँच गए.
और आपने कब से start कर दी थी अपनी JEE की पढ़ाई?
I started in 11th.
You started in 11th?
Yeah, I started in 11th. In fact, I did not take any coaching in 11th. I went to Vidya Mandir in 12th.
I was about to ask. So VMC classes, Vidya Mandir classes.
That I went in 12th, yeah.
That you went in 12th. 11th you started on your own, basically.
On my own.
Okay. Any influence from other people around you कि अच्छा engineering कर ले बेटा, medical कर ले बेटा, because I'm guessing आपके पास PCM PCM होएगी.
हाँ नहीं
So
PCM नहीं थी. I didn't take medical. I didn't take bio.
you didn't
So
take
I
bio.
did हाँ I didn't take. I said PCM but I didn't have bio. So
Didn't
वो
have
तो
bio.
decided था कि अब वो तो नहीं हो सकता.
So engineering was like
Was the only choice.
was the
नहीं
only
हुआ तो
choice.
पता नहीं क्या होगा.
Excellent.
दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में भी नहीं मिलता PCM के बाद क्योंकि वो
कुछ
नंबर
नहीं
कम आ
मिलता.
जाते हैं.
तो मेरे को एक बात बताइए because I'll tell you from my perspective. I used to stay in Motibaag and
हाँ.
I had a lot of friends at DPS RKP as well. वहाँ पे भी बहुत competition होता है. It's mad. It's like a factory of competition.
It is.
How was your experience transitioning from school into IIT into such a competitive world already in school and then going into an even more competitive world now?
Yeah, actually IITs are not competitive.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It is not. Once you're in the campus, then it's not so much competitive. Nobody is really, at least I never felt that, or maybe I was not in the race so I didn't feel it. Nobody is really trying to top the department कि मेरे से ज़्यादा number आ जाए. I think that attitude is not there. But just the raw intellectual capability people bring, it is scary.
Right.
मतलब you have just not seen so smart people before. And that was the thing that hits you. ठीक है, DPS is obviously very competitive and the same people went to IIT as well. Right? But what you realize very early on is कि जो स्कूल का करिकुलम होता है वो एक इस तरह से बनाया गया है कि यार सब थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लेंगे. When you get to IIT, some courses are such कि you just can't fathom the courses without really putting a lot of effort. So I think that's a big change. It was not competitive. I never felt a sense of competition, and that is why I think IIT के friends lifelong friends बन जाते हैं because हम कभी compete नहीं कर रहे थे. So one, everybody knew यार कुछ ठीक ही निकल जाएंगे, अब IIT पहुंच गए हैं तो. And second, within IIT we never had a competitive spirit for
Against
ranks
one
and
another and
never.
all that. Never that.
Right? That was very much there in school because
In school.
JEE is a very competitive exam, right? But IITs are not competitive. But the difference is you really find your intellectual depth once you're inside IIT and you see people around you.
Of course. And I'm sure, starting from the first year, again, being around like really intellectual, smart people, it would have also, shaped your personality over there as well, your mindset as well. So how was that experience? I mean, once you got into IIT Delhi, did you feel in awe of the brilliant people all around
Yes,
you?
absolutely. Yeah, I think first 2 years are kind of tough because of that, right? पहला मैथ्स का माइनर हुआ, मेरे 7 out of 20 आए. Right? Now you are used to 98, 99, 100 on math. Now you get a 7 out of 20 in your first exam. And that just, sets your expectation of yourself very, very quickly.
Right.
So first couple of years is just trying to figure out how do you swim in this, at the deep end of the pool. But once you have realized it is fine, right? I am maybe middle of the class amongst really, really, really smart people. So it's okay.
Fair.
Right? Then I really enjoyed. After the first couple of semesters, right? पहले semester में कुछ सत्ती वत्ती आ गई था यार, इतने कम नंबर तो कभी नहीं आए थे. फिर next semester में थोड़े ठीक आ गए तो लग रहा है आ भी सकते हैं, इतनी थोड़ी मेहनत कर लोगे. Then after I think 3 semesters, I didn't really care about exams and all. Then I enjoyed the internet, I enjoyed stuff, I enjoyed extracurriculars with friends. I enjoyed the learning after that.
Right.
But first couple of years are definitely hard from that perspective.
आप बोल रहे हो सत्ती बोल के कम आने के लिए, ये तो हमारा एवरेज होता था यहाँ पे. Like I was in DU, so for me तो सत्ती was like भाई बहुत बढ़िया कर लिया मैंने. But I can imagine that, because that was the level at IIT as well.
And CS department में at 7 whatever मैं 7.5 मेरी शायद GP थी first semester में. मेरी rank 25th थी. Right.
Wow.
30-35 लोगों के अंदर.
हाँ जी.
Right. So it was pretty, it felt very low back then. But then you realize after a couple of years कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. And it probably doesn't even matter.
Fair. All right, great. So I'll ask you now that we are on the campus side of the story. Your fondest memories at the campus, like you said, Binti was a good hangout spot. क्या था, like what was your day like at IIT Delhi? Obviously your regular college day as well. Let's start with that. What time did you used to wake up? How was your day about, and what you used to do throughout your day as well?
Yeah, so the good thing with IIT Delhi was कि it was not very regimented, right? So you could have a lot of flexibility in your day. Professors were very chill about कि 1-2 classes miss हो गई तो कोई बात नहीं. Most professors were also okay अगर आप late भी walk in कर जाओ कभी तो they were kind of, especially because I remember even in winters our first session lecture used to be 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning. Right? Just like peak winter में.
Right.
So sometimes that would be hard to attend a lecture like that. So good thing was that there was a fair bit of flexibility. So you could pick and choose, and anyway the lectures scattered around. ऐसे भी नहीं था like a school कि हर घंटे में एक lecture है,
Right.
right? So you would plan your day and decide कि अरे एक ही दो lectures हैं, अभी 3 घंटे free है तो फिर वो एक दो lectures भी छोड़ सकते हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला.
जो आपकी ड्राइंग वाले लेक्चर्स हैं, बंक मारते
Exactly,
हो उसको.
right? जो वो वैसे भी समझ नहीं आएगा वहाँ बैठोगे तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं है देखने जाने का. So you would have a fair bit of flexibility over there.
Right.
Right? That in between time was actually very interesting, right? And again, I keep going back to the fact that वो time ऐसा था, you know, change was happening,
Yeah.
internet was happening,
Yeah.
startups were happening.
Very exciting.
Very exciting
Very
times.
exciting.
I with a couple of my college friends, we used to run a college startup.
Oh, excellent.
So I started a company called Bharat Classifieds
Huh.
with one of my Himanshu, one of my classmates.
Right.
तो हम उसमें तो वो बिकॉज जस्ट द इंटरनेट वाज सच अ रेज हियर वी स्टार्टेड अ क्लासिफाइड्स बिजनेस. तो हमने इंटरनेट पे कुछ कोड वोड ढूंढ लिख के इंटरनेट पे साइट बना दी.
क्या बात है.
राइट. सो देन फ्री टाइम यूज्ड टू बी कि यार इसको सीड कैसे करें. देन वी वुड थिंक यार एक काम करते हैं, खुद ही हम न्यूज़पेपर एड्स लेके टाइप कर देते हैं ताकि एटलीस्ट लगेगा कि कुछ एड्स हैं हमारे साइट के अंदर. तो बैठ के वो कर रहे हैं, ब्रेक के अंदर बैठ के ऐड डाल रहे हैं उसमें.
Nice.
राइट. देन वी वुड समटाइम्स लुक एट, जैसे किसी ने ऐड डाला, देन वी वुड जस्ट कॉल दैट पर्सन एंड से यार हमने आप as if we found him on the internet.
Right.
हम कहेंगे यार वो भारत क्लासिफाइड आपका ऐड देखा था तो मेरे को ये खरीदना है स्कूटर आपसे. सो हम इस तरह के काम कर रहे हैं. सो आई जस्ट एंजॉयड, यू नो, आई लर्न, आई रियली, माय रूट्स ऑफ माय एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी स्टार्टेड इन दैट सेकंड थर्ड ईयर व्हेन आई जस्ट फेल्ट यार ये तो इंटरनेट पे तो कोई भी कंपनी बना सकता है. राइट. सो दैट वाज द मोस्ट अमेजिंग पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग ऑन द कैंपस. देन वंस आई गॉट इनटू दैट, देन द कोर्सेज वर पेरिफेरल, क्लियर करने हैं, पास करने हैं.
हाँ जी.
बट मजा यहाँ पे आ रहा है.
Very nice. So your hustler mentality started at IIT Delhi.
Very
itself.
early, yeah.
Listening to you about this, especially about this ad example, that's like, for me, that's like hustler mentality right there and then.
Absolutely. So that is where I started. And it was a great lesson actually, you know, because I learned a few things over there. One, when we started this classifieds thing, it kind of took off. Look, internet पे कितने लोग थे उस time में, 1998 and 99 I'm talking about. But we used to get a few hundred people started posting ads on it every day. Which also gave us a taste of care. This can actually, you know, grow. Obviously, at then third year ke end mein, once campus happens, then this whole thing, I got selected to go to Microsoft, and then obviously you know, then the hustler mentality went away. Then the dreams of working at Microsoft came in, and I kind of dropped the project. When I look back, two things were standing out in that classifieds project. जब हम देखते थे कि यार लोग किस चीज के लिए क्लासिफाइड डालते हैं, दो चीजों के लिए डालते थे, जॉब्स के लिए, ठीक है, और शादी के लिए.
शादी के लिए, हाँ.
राइट. नाउ इफ यू लुक बैक, naukri.com भी हो गया और shaadi.com भी हो गया. एंड वी वर वेरी अर्ली, वी वर इन 98 डूइंग इट.
या.
सो अर्ली साइंस थे. अगर परसिस्ट किया होता तो यू नो दैट इटसेल्फ कुड हैव हैपेंड. बट दैट्स वन थिंग आई लर्नड कि यार हसल इज गुड,
या,
बट देन यू हैव टू गेट इनटू इट फॉर द लॉन्ग रन. राइट. अदरवाइज कंपाउंडिंग नहीं होती है, एंड देन द अर्ली प्रॉमिस गोज अवे वेरी क्विकली.
राइट. गौरव, आपने अभी बोला जैसे you know 98 99, this was like literally the starting.
Absolutely.
Like, were people around you also in the same sort of hustler mentality, because, or was it just you and your gang of guys?
It was not the majority. I think now it has changed a lot.
Now it has.
Right. Because what was happening at that time, the right thing to do or the popular thing to do was go to US for an MS. Right. So तब GRE की बहुत तैयारी होती थी. तो थर्ड ईयर से सब GRE की तैयारी शुरू कर देते थे. एटलीस्ट CS के अंदर. किसी डिपार्टमेंट में IS चलता था. So some departments were more IS. CS used to be कि GRE is the gateway to US.
Right.
And hence, you know, I think a lot of difference happened between people who were very inclined on GRE and MS. For some of us, it was a blessing in disguise कि GP इतनी थी नहीं कि GRE MS clear होगा. So that eliminated a choice, right? So then you're like, ये eliminate हो गई है choice. But then this whole startup ecosystem was happening. You know, the whole .com boom was happening, and that is just so exciting for me.
Right. कहते हैं ना कई बार कि जो हो बहुत अच्छा, जो ना हो और भी अच्छा.
बिल्कुल.
So that's what happened.
100%.
What happened with you as well. Excellent.
Yeah. By the way, that I will tell you one more incident,
please.
which is not very known. 97 JE, when we gave JE was 1997.
Right.
Was the only time in the history of JE that the JE was cancelled and done again.
Oh wow.
So because there was some rumor कि paper leak हो गया है.
Okay.
So we went, wrote the exam. Next day or 2-3 days after, in the news they said कि अरे JE का paper leak हो गया, अब दोबारा होगा JE.
No way.
Can you imagine? You spent 2 years working, आपने लिख दिया एग्जाम.
पागल हो गए होंगे लोग.
अब आप घर आ गए हो कि यार अब हो गया, मैं दोबारा ये बुक्स नहीं खोलूंगा.
हाँ.
And then they say नहीं, अब आपको फिर से लिखना है 2 महीने बाद. right? So that happened in 97. But again, in retrospect, yeah, the next time I wrote a much better paper. I don't
Oh,
think I
really?
would have gotten CS for the first attempt that I had done.
Were you jittery in the first go when you gave the JE?
No, I was not jittery because I think even back then, all the coaching guys
Exactly.
really trained you very
Yeah.
well. So I was not jittery. I knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
But I think that second attempt gave
Obviously.
me the opportunity to do
A
top
little
up.
better, yeah.
A little better. A little better goes a long way in JE.
Wow, but man, that must be so scary though.
Oh, man, that
Scary
was
and also
terrible.
like annoying in a way कि यार किताबें मैंने अभी
Frustrating, yeah.
बंद कर दी
Frustrating,
अपनी.
yeah,
हाँ,
exactly.
3 दिन बाद
It's
फिर से
like your summer
किताबें,
vacation is cancelled.
It's bad. It's bad. I can't even imagine that, especially school se nikalti. I mean, that's the first few things that you want to do is
Absolutely.
get this out of the way, get this out of the way.
Absolutely.
And when that comes back, that's the first time I'm hearing about something like that.
That's the only time it has
That's the
happened.
only अपनी अपनी किस्मत की बात होती है ना
बिल्कुल.
कभी-कभी. Okay. All right. So, you know, from the time you entered the campus and then till the time you left the campus, how did your personality change, evolve over those 4 years at IIT Delhi? You know, your confidence level, the way you used to think, critical thinking, आपकी कैसे ये सारी चीजें, if you can just shed some light on it.
See, I think you come into IIT as a very different person. Also because the way the JEE system works, right? Abhi to, we did 11th, 12th JEE prep. Abhi I see kids are doing from 8th and 9th. Right? So you are very, very single focused for those 2 years, right? Those 2 years you have done nothing except, you know, JEE prep, right? So you come very narrow focused when you enter the campus. कि यार मुझे एग्जाम क्रैक करने के अलावा बेसिकली कुछ नहीं आता है. Right? So that is how you come in. One good thing about IITs, and now I appreciate it, कि it is very interdisciplinary. Right? So first year is you do everything.
Yes.
The best part I really enjoyed were the humanities courses.
Okay, great.
They
Excellent.
changed my life, right?
Wow.
Because then when you talk about, and some of the courses are so interesting. I remember this course, Mind Machine Language. They talk about interface, and because we are doing CS, so the CS has a very different view on language and Turing tests and all of that. And then humanities brings a very philosophical view on the same topic.
Right.
So that starts to really open up your mind. The other bit you realize is the diversity on the campus, right? Again, you're coming from, so I'm coming from DPS, it's all delegates only, right?
Yes.
And you have one way of thinking, one way. Now you come in and then there are people from all over the country, right? And really, really smart people. And one thing I really appreciate till date is some really smart people have a very different view on life. So they bring so much contrarian view. And that's one thing I learned at IIT, right? That some people were so contrarian, right? Top karke aaye hain, JEE toppers hain, but then they have a completely different view take on life, right? On academics, on studies, on they'll go, the whole world is going right, wo left ja rahe honge. Ye sari cheezein, they really shape you up, right? And I think that is what I really took away. Yaar, this is also a way people can think. This is how smart people can be, right? And this is how diverse learning can be, right? I think the IIT should do more, and maybe they are. That whole interdisciplinary nature is very important because जब हम IIT में घुसते हैं,
right?
तो वी आर वेरी वेरी नैरो फोकस. हमने एक ही चीज करी है लाइफ में, एंड हम तो 11th 12th के में थे. अभी तो बच्चे 8th 9th ग्रेड से ही पढ़ रहे हैं, तो दे हैव बेसिकली गिवन अप देयर टीनेज just preparing for JEE, right? So I think a little bit of reset is required once you are in. You know, I had a great time on Microsoft, but then I started to realize that this isn't something that I can do rest of my life. And the challenge also is once you have a realization कि ये भी नहीं है और कोई भी corporate job नहीं है, then you're stuck here. फिर मैं क्या करूँगा, right? What can I do? So then I started thinking. So one option was go for an MBA. So some of us, a couple of friends, you know, who were also in Microsoft, getting into the same mode. कि यार क्या करना है, बोर हो रहे हैं. So I wrote my GMAT. Right, got a good score over there. So it became like a backup. कि यार चलो GMAT तो दे दिया है, कुछ नहीं होगा तो MBA कर लेंगे और entrepreneurial experience दिखा के अच्छा MBA में भी हो जाएगा. बिल्कुल. But then I came back to India, and frankly, when I had gone, I had mentally given me 2 years. मेरे को बनना था entrepreneur किसी point पे. But it reinforced once I realized how corporate setups work. No matter how good they are, how fun they are. It wasn't something I could have done for all my life. Okay, and talking about TBO, you know, Gaurav, opening at 55% premium. How was that feeling? I mean, must be like extremely gratifying. Obviously, man. That
was your first IPO.
Yeah, absolutely.
And how like take us through that, because this is something that, you know, I really want to get to know firsthand from you. कि देखना हो figure वहाँ पे और
यार देखो, when you the startup dream is this, right? कि एक छोटी सी कंपनी स्टार्ट करेंगे गराज के अंदर, and then फिर वो थोड़ी बड़ी होगी, फिर बड़ी होगी, and then you think यार IPO is going to be this like culmination of one part of the journey, right? Our IPO in many ways is a start of a new journey.
Yes.
But that whole startup journey is about this dream, right? कि हम एक कंपनी बनाएंगे, नहीं हम IPO पे जाएंगे. Honestly speaking, मैंने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था, right? Because when you can't think so far ahead.
Yeah.
But 3 years ago, when through the COVID times, we realized we were a travel business in COVID, right? So we were really having a hard time.
Right.
But we also started to realize that this is a very opportune time to upscale the business very quickly because a lot of competition went away. We had good cash on our books and we owned the company, right? We owned 51% of the company, me and partner Ankush.
That's right.
So which gave us a lot of flexibility. So we started to realize that this can suddenly become much bigger than what it is, right? So we used the COVID times to really change the orbit of the business. 21 was the first time as a board we had a discussion ki why don't we list, because a lot of companies were listing at that time, and we filed a DRHP as well. But then the market crashed. A lot of tech stocks did not do well after listing, and then the market went away, which also gave us the opportunity. It allowed me to acquire another business, grow my business better, have more, and then we started the journey again late last year. When you're in the process, right, you still don't realize the enormity of it for the company and for you, because you're so engrossed in it, right? DRHP कर रहे हो, फिर investor roadshows, फिर RHP is like just so process driven.
Yeah.
But it was only on that day when you go up the stage and you're ringing the bell, and then you realize that from now on there is no going back. Your company is listed.
Yeah.
Right? The 50% pop was great. Yeah, we were very conscious. We had a view कि we should leave money on the table for the investor, right? And that's the reason we knew कि कुछ तो pop करेगा. 50% करेगा, हमने भी नहीं सोचा था.
ठीक, कितना सोचा था गौरव आपने honestly?
यार हम ये सोच रहे थे 15-20% हमें छोड़ना चाहिए इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए, so that they don't feel short change in the end. And markets भी volatile रहती हैं, elections आ रहे हैं, नहीं आ रहे हैं, all of that is happening, right? So we wanted to be, we want to be good to our investors, right? And always we have followed that, right? We had 2 other rounds. पहले Naspers used to be an investor, we gave them a good exit. Now Standard Chartered Private Equity, Firma Capital has been an investor. We give them a great exit. GA came in. We brought them at a valuation where we felt we'll give them a good return. So we had a view here. We should leave some money on the table. 50% pop होगा. We didn't think it would pop so much, right? हम 15-20% तो हम भी expect कर रहे थे.
So obviously very very exciting that is. अभी क्या valuation है for TBO? Currently?
यार अब ना मैंने एक रूल बनाया है, मैं डेली स्टॉक प्राइस नहीं चेक
करता हूं. आप चेक नहीं करते हो.
It can drive you crazy.
ये IPO के बाद कब तक था?
पहले 1-2 दिन था, then I realized कोई point नहीं है, because देखो यार, and this is what I explained to my team as well. हम जब रात में सोए थे तो वही कंपनी थी, अभी जो सुबह उठे हो तो वही कंपनी है. अब अगर प्राइस ऊपर गया है नीचे गया, हमने तो नहीं चेंज किया. समटाइम्स होगा, राइट? आपके रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आए या नहीं अच्छे है तो वो दैट इज टू ऑन अस,
ऑफ कोर्स,
राइट? बट डेली क्या चेंज कर रहे हो? इट्स द सेम बिजनेस, राइट? यही ऑफिस है, यही लोग हैं, वही बिजनेस चल रहा है. अगर आज ऊपर है या आज नीचे है, देख के क्या मिल रहा है,
राइट?
Right, so I've kind of given up on it, but I remember we were around 1400 something. I don't know where we are today, and markets are pretty choppy today.
Right.
But we were around that number. That number is much higher than the 920 we were selling at. Right. So I don't care, frankly, यार. बहुत अच्छा किया है. अब क्वार्टर के बाद देखेंगे.
मतलब बढ़िया लगा हुआ है यार. I mean for us, I would say कि हमारे तो 10% सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट देखते हैं हम, वो 2 हफ्ते बाद में फिर से सैलरी अपनी देखता हूँ पे स्लिप पे कि अच्छा सही है. So that must be such a gratifying experience, and congratulations to you once again, because we all are extremely proud, Gaurav. At IIT, when we are sitting in the office, we are going through the alumni profiles and everything. जिसका भी कुछ हमको दिखता है ना, it feels really good for us also to be slightly associated in some way or the other to this.
No, absolutely. Yeah.
So congratulations on that.
Thank you so
that's
much.
really really brilliant. We all are really really proud, and
thank you.
Hope that keeps on growing. ठीक है, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much, Gaurav.
Thank you, Shaurya. Pleasure talking to you.
And next time when you're there at IIT, please do let us know.
I will reach out.
हम पराठे खाने चलेंगे.
Of course.
अब तो SDA में भी काफी जगह खुल गई हैं. So we will do that. But thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Shaurya.
Such a pleasure.